Hello again, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody is doing well. By the way, I already uploaded this video last week, but after a few hours, I have noticed that there was a restriction, kaya dinilit ko na lang. I think dahil dun sa background music na nilagay ko, kaya I removed the music as well. Just to share you po, ito nga pala ang naging libangan ko nung pandemic, especially nung enhanced community quarantine. I just planted different kinds of ornamental plants at eto, madami na sila ngayon. Maganda siyang libangan para sa tulad kong plants enthusiast at plants lover kasi it helps me to become more productive while having fun. And at the same time, it's very obvious na nakakaganda siya sa ating paligid. Lalo na ngayong tag-init kahit papano kapag nakikita nating more on green yung paligid natin ay masarap ito sa matang tingnan. So that's all for today's short video. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. God bless and bye!